today. I am in sunny Jamaica, the land of my birth, the golden sunshine. Feels good to be back in Jamaica. I'm enjoying my time. Oh, I miss you, Jamaica. I miss you so much. It's beautiful here. You know, Jamaica is a really beautiful country. Yeah, man. I mean, you have to travel to really come to that realization, because when you see other places and then you come back to Jamaica and you see all that we have here, all our natural resources and our natural beauty, then you realize that you are from one of the most beautiful country in the world, right? Anyway, guys, I have some sad news today. Sad news. I have fought the good fight and I have finished my course. I've served my country with dignity, professionalism, integrity, and a whole lot of heart. I love my country and I love my people. I have decided that I will be resigning my job from the JCF. As you may know, I have been studying abroad since last year, and this was a really tough decision for me to make. I know that a lot of persons may be disappointed right now of this decision, and I want to say this. It was not easy for me to come to this decision, guys. I do love my country very much, and I enjoyed serving in the JCF. I gave the JCF all of me, all that I am. I really put in 100% of myself in this job. Many of you guys may have been following me over the years. I've had this particular YouTube channel since 2014, and I have been posting operational videos of the effort of the lottery scam task force, which was I was a part of, and until I joined the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, and I transitioned from that to the joint task force. And I want to say that it has been an absolute pleasure serving within such a noble organization. Yeah, people, I'm here in Jamaica, my beautiful, beautiful little island, the land of my birth. Many times when I was back here, I'd like to come to places like these just to meditate and chill out. You don't know. Sometimes you have to just take it easy and relax, you know? So sometimes I used to be here. I mean, you guys can see the scenery from here. It's nice. Look at that. Yeah, guys, so beautiful Jamaica. It's really nice to give the cold a break, right? So guys, back to what I was saying. I mean, serving in the JCF has been very pleasurable for me, and so you can understand how sad it is for me to be leaving the organization. This is not something that I'm happy about, but I'm happy to have served the people of Jamaica. I've always wanted to become a police officer. Ever since I was younger, I have an uncle by my mother's side of the family who was a police officer for many years, and he has migrated now. And I also have an uncle by my father's side of the family who was a police officer in the US for many years until he retired. So guys, I believe that policing was in my blood, right? And so you can imagine how sad it is for me to be leaving this organization. I've worked in the private sector for many years as IT manager, getting a good salary, but there was something lacking in my life. I was not happy, right? And so I decided to join the police force because there have always been two things that I've ever loved in my life, and that is computers and policing. And I'm happy that I got the opportunity to really serve these two industries, these two sectors. I worked as IT manager for almost 12 years or 13 years, I believe, before joining the police force, and then I spent another 7 years and 8 months in the JCF. I did not join the Jamaica Constabulary Force out of a financial need. I joined the Jamaica Constabulary Force out of a need to make a difference in my country, out of a need to help build my country and serve the people of Jamaica. Guys, it is sad for me. It is really sad for me to be leaving the organization. But it is one of those things in life. I've come to a point in my life where I need to make this transition, right? Jamaica will always be close and dear to my heart. The JCF will always be close and dear to my heart. Anyway, guys, as it relates to my YouTube channel, The Noble Cop, I intend to keep this channel, and probably I'll be able to be more objective in my comments that I make now that I will be a civilian again, right? You guys can give me some ideas for this channel. Tell me what you want me to discuss. I know some persons probably came here just to see what the operations that I actually went on and so on, because I've always shown those, and so they may want to unsubscribe to the channel because I'm not a police officer anymore. But for those of you who want to see more content, send me some ideas, tell me some things that I can talk about. Alright guys, so until next time, walk good.